Jane here is a sales rep for a major North American conglomerate. She uses the Salesforce mobile app to do all of her sales and sales-related activities wherever she goes. And she goes wherever the deal takes her. So she can negotiate face-to-face with Sue, a shrewd sarsaparilla shipper from Saskatchewan. Accepting her terms, she immediately sends a pricing request to HQ, while her sales manager Karen briefly interrupts her morning racquetball meeting with assistant Drew to send an instant reply approving said request, making Sue and her staff some very happy customers. She heads off to meet with longtime customer and tech mogul Carl, makes a sale, and shows him their new loyalty app built on the Salesforce platform, allowing him to quickly go from points earning to rewards reaping. Jane then takes a quick detour after finding a new opportunity. Once found, acquaintances are made. Her schmoozing is successful and information is exchanged, allowing her to create a new contact, even though she's offline, automatically syncing the second she's back in range. And with a little grit and some determination, she weathers the storm thanks to the help of Sales Path Guidance to close a whale of a deal with Pete off the coast of Barbary. Heading off to whatever obscure location the next deal takes her, closing more deals in more places in less time. Visit Trailhead to get started and learn how to run your business from your phone and sell from anywhere with the Salesforce mobile app. Blaze your trail with Salesforce.